Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot and Hyundai in Dorchester. I'm just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 3008 SUV. This particular one is an Allure with the 1.6 Blue HDI 120 brake horsepower diesel coupled with the E86 automatic gearbox. Now this particular car is in Bianca white and was registered 2017 on a 67 plate. We're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car or even take a test drive, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoy the video.